Chilly nights ruining your patio plans? Don't let the cold chase you indoors. With the right patio heater, you can keep the good times rolling outside no matter what the weather throws your way. We've tested and compared the hottest patio heaters of 2025, so you can find the perfect one for your space, your style, and your budget. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up or down, and let us know in the comments which patio heater you think is the best fit for you. Your feedback helps us keep making honest, helpful reviews. All right, let's get started. Number 1, Hampton Bay 48,000 BTU patio heater. If you want to give your patio that inviting outdoor restaurant vibe, the Hampton Bay 48,000 BTU patio heater is a top pick. This heater is built from durable stainless steel, so it's not just about looks, it's made to last. Weighing in at 33 pounds, it's sturdy enough to stay put, but still portable if you need to move it around your patio. One of the standout features is the piezoelectric ignition system. That means you get quick, hassle-free startups every time. No more fumbling with matches or lighters. The adjustable heat control lets you set the perfect temperature, and with up to 48,000 BTUs of warmth, it's powerful enough to keep your guests comfortable even on the chilliest nights. This heater stands 87 inches tall and has a 32-inch diameter, so it fits seamlessly into most outdoor spaces without feeling bulky. It's designed to be portable so you can move it wherever you need extra warmth, and it's compact enough to store away when you're not using it. Just a heads up, the propane gas cylinder is sold separately, so you'll need to pick one up if you don't already have one. Overall, the Hampton Bay patio heater delivers excellent value for its price. It's reliable, easy to use, and stylish, making it one of the best choices for anyone looking to upgrade their patio experience and enjoy more time outdoors no matter the season. If you want a heater that combines power, durability, and a sleek look, this one is hard to beat. Number 2, Dr. Infrared Heater DR238. Dr. Infrared proves that outdoor heating doesn't have to be a luxury. For under $150, the Dr. Infrared DR238 heater is one of the best value patio heaters available right now. It's designed for wall or ceiling mounting, which makes it perfect for covered patios, balconies, or smaller outdoor spaces where floor space is at a premium. This adjustable heater delivers clean, instant warmth at 3 different settings: 900, 1200, or 1500 watts. It comes with a convenient remote control so you can adjust the heat without getting up from your seat. One of the big advantages of infrared heaters is that they don't get hot to the touch, making the DR238 a safe choice for families with young children or pets. Despite its budget-friendly price, this heater can warm areas up to 1,000 square feet, which is impressive for its size. It's both powerful and practical, especially if you want something that's easy to install and operate. While the DR238 may not win any style awards, it really shines in terms of performance and affordability. If aesthetics are a priority for you, you might want to check out the FireSense stainless steel tabletop patio heater, which offers a more stylish look for small spaces. Some users have noticed a slight odor during the first use, but that usually goes away quickly. Overall, the DR238 is a reliable, cost-effective heating solution that keeps your patio warm without breaking the bank. Number 3, East Oak Patio Heater. If you're looking for something simple and convenient, the East Oak Patio Heater is a great electric option. This heater is designed for instant warmth and easy operation. It heats up quickly and comes with a remote control, so you can adjust the temperature without leaving your seat. Perfect for those chilly evenings when you just want to relax. Unlike propane heaters, there's no need to worry about refilling gas tanks or making last-minute trips to the hardware store. Just plug it into an outdoor outlet and you're good to go. With an IP65 rating, it's built to withstand outdoor conditions, so you don't have to stress about a little rain or dust. One thing to keep in mind, this heater doesn't have a fan. While it delivers quick, powerful heat, it's best suited for smaller patios or for placing close to your seating area. It won't cover as much space or reach the same high temperatures as the Dr. Infrared Heater DR238, but it's a great option if you're looking for something more compact and less intense. Overall, the eStoke electric patio heater is a practical, low-maintenance solution for adding a touch of warmth to your outdoor gatherings. If you want hassle-free operation and easy control, this one is definitely worth considering. Number 4. FireSense Stainless Steel Tabletop Patio Heater. If you only need to heat a small area, this tabletop patio heater is a fantastic choice. Standing just 38 inches tall, it's lightweight and easy to move from one surface to another. Plus, it comes in 2 color options. A nice touch, even if it doesn't offer as many choices as some larger models. This compact propane heater uses a 1-pound LP gas cylinder, not included, and delivers an adjustable 10,000 BTUs of heat, which is more than enough to quickly warm up a cozy space. The one-step piezo ignition system makes starting the heater effortless, so you can get the warmth you need without any fuss. The FireSense Stainless Steel tabletop patio heater is perfect for small gatherings of 3 to 4 people, with each propane cylinder lasting about 3 hours. For added safety, it features a weight plate in the base for stability and a burner screen guard to protect curious fingers. Its stainless steel design also adds a modern, stylish look to any outdoor setting. If you're working with limited space, this heater is a smart, reliable option to keep your patio warm and inviting. It's easy to use, easy to move, and looks great on any table or countertop. So, which is the best patio heater for 2025? For unbeatable heat and reliability, the Hampton Bay 48,000 BTU patio heater takes the crown. It's powerful, easy to use, and perfect for any outdoor gathering, big or small. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and let us know in the comments which patio heater you'd choose for your space. Stay warm out there, and we'll see you in the next review.